kids, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So today we discuss our chapter 7, Food for Health. Now we have some warm-up questions. Put the letters in correct order to get the names of some food items. So what you have to do? You have to rearrange the words. First one is K-I-M-L. So what you have to write? Milk. M-I-L-K. Okay, students? Next is G-E-Z. So what is this? Egg. So what you have to write? E-G-G. Okay, students? So rest 4 you have to do by yourself. Okay, students? Now we will start our chapter. We cannot live without food. It helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to work, play. We cannot live without food. It helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food keeps us in a good health. So that means, बच्चे, when we eat food, we get energy ना? When you feel low, sometimes जब आपको भूख लगती है तो आपका कुछ करने का दिल नहीं करता ना? So that means आपकी एनर्जी क्या हो जाती है? Finish हो जाती है. And when you eat the food, you get the energy. Okay, students? Now, let's know about sources of food, meals, and good eating habits. Okay, students? So first we discussed about the sources of food. First we discussed about the sources of food. First is food from plants. Plant give us fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses, etc. That means students, हमें अपने fruits और vegetables, अपने cereals और pulses कहाँ से मिलते हैं? Plants से. Okay? Look at your picture. From your picture you will get fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Oh, next we will discuss food from animals. So that means वो खाना बच्चे जो हमें किससे मिलता है? Animals से, जैसे दूध, अंडे. Okay? Now we will read. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. We get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. Okay, now we will read. Do you know? Milk is called a complete food. It makes our bones and teeth strong. Okay, students? Now look at your picture, everyone. Every student look at the picture. In first picture there is a hen and eggs. That means you get egg from an hen. Okay, now come to the next picture. There is a fish and a goat. So you will get meat from fish and goat. And similarly, in the third one you have buffalo and cow. So from where you get milk? From buffalo and cow. Okay, students, get it? Now we will discuss meals. Okay, what we will discuss? We will discuss meals. The food that we eat fixed time is called a meal. So that means बच्चे जो हम एक fixed time पर खाना खाते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Meal. Like आप सुबह क्या करते हैं? Breakfast. So breakfast is a meal. Get it? So we take 3 meals in a day. First one is breakfast. We take breakfast in the morning. It is the first meal of the day. We eat bread, jam, butter, milk, etc. for breakfast. Lunch, we take lunch around the midday. We eat pulses, chapatis, rice, curd, etc. for lunch. Dinner, we take dinner at early night. We eat chapatis, rice, vegetables, pulses, pickles, etc. for dinner. Now look at your picture. In your picture there is 3 meals. A girl eating breakfast, a girl having lunch, a girl having dinner. Okay, students, now do you know salt is the only food that we get from seawater, neither plant nor animal. So that means salt क्या है बच्चे? एक ऐसा food item है जो आप ना तो plant से मिलता है और ना ही एनिमल से. कहाँ से मिलता है? C से. Okay students, get it? Now students, what we have? Again we have check and mate. A part, write T for true and F for false statements. First one, we need food to be strong. Is it true? No, it's false. Second, food gives us energy to work and play. So it is true. Lunch is the first meal of the day. No, it is false. Because breakfast is the first meal of the day. We eat dinner at early night. Yes, it is true. Okay students, now we will discuss our B part. Answer the following questions. There is first question, name any 3 food items we get from plants. So first you can write vegetables, fruits and pulses. Now come to the second, name any 3 food items we get from animals. So you can write egg, milk and meat. Now students, we have activity. Write the names of any 2 food items which you like to eat for. So that means in these 3 points you have to write your favorite food. Okay. Suppose in first one is breakfast. So what you will like bread and jam. So this is your 2 food items you like to eat for breakfast. So similarly you can write your lunch and dinner items. Okay students, now we will read about the good eating habits. Okay students, now come to the first point. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. Also look at your picture, a boy washing hands. Okay students, we should eat food at a fixed intervals. Okay, we should not eat in a hurry. That means हमें जल्दी में खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. We must chew our food properly. We should eat with our mouth closed. We should not eat uncovered food. We should eat lots of fruits and vegetables. We should drink a lot of clean water. We should not waste our food. We should not eat junk food very often. So that means you don't eat the junk food. Okay students, look at your picture, a boy eating fruits. Now we have check and mate. A part, fill in the blanks with correct words. First, we should eat our food at fixed intervals. Okay. Second, we should eat with our mouth closed. Do not eat uncovered food. Okay students, get it? Now we will wrap up, and what we read in this chapter we will discuss in a nutshell. Okay, we need food to be strong. Food help us to grow. Plants give us fruits, vegetable, pulses, cereals, oil, etc. Okay, we get milk from cows and buffaloes. We take 3 meals in a day. We should eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Now we will discuss our keywords. Chapati, made of wheat flour. Pickle, a very sure food item. Junk food, unhealthy food. I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you students. We will meet again in the next session.